Hi everyone, this is Kate Holloman and welcome to my art studio. Let me take you around. So this is my main mess room. Right now it's quite tidy. This is because I had an exhibition here just a couple days ago. This is the kitchen. All beautifully decorated. There was a painting. It sold. Okay. This yellow wall is exceptional. I love how the art looks on it. Then we go into the hallway. And then to the gallery rooms. Look at that. This is my deconstruction part. Can you tell? This is gorgeous by itself. I love it. Shh. And this right here. I love this area. Each room needed a special wall. So this room has this one. Lots of gold. Oh, I got a little bit of chaos. No, this is amazing. So, that's what it is. I like it. And I hope you liked it too. So, you're going to be seeing a lot more stuff from here. Please consider subscribing and joining my channel. It helps a bunch. See you next time.